Just about a year and a half ago, I made a video sharing my opinion on artificial intelligence. This month, Gizmodo published an article confirming my fears. In this video, I'm going to recap the article and explain why, as much as I hate being right, apparently I was. Let's get to it. The title of Gizmodo's article is alarming to say the least. 41% of employers worldwide say they will reduce staff by 2030 due to AI. This is something I warned about in my Spicy Take video. As much as I had hoped companies would develop AI to improve lives and help us work faster and more efficiently, it was inevitable they would ask, why stop there? Why can't we keep teaching AI to replace the workforce entirely? The fact that close to half of employers worldwide are openly admitting they will reduce their workforce due to AI or because AI is simply that efficient is deeply concerning. And keep in mind, this is 41% of employers openly admitting to it. There are undoubtedly many others keeping it quiet to avoid backlash. Now, the article suggests this may be more of a job displacement situation. If you currently have a job that no machine can do, you may be safe for now and could even benefit from AI assistance. However, once AI becomes smart enough to handle your tasks, and that's my commentary, not from the article, your job could be at risk. For those in roles AI can already perform, the unfortunate reality is that retraining for a new field might be the only option. This ties directly to the core argument I made on my last video. The global economy will need to undergo drastic changes to accommodate AI. Unfortunately, companies prioritize and will prioritize above all else profits, as we have seen time and time again, with little or no regard for the impact on their employees or their customers. Believe it or not, I truly hope I'm wrong about this, but the video I posted a year and a half ago seems like it's starting to come true. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. While you're down there, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell so you get notified when we have new videos. As always, we're available on Facebook, Instagram, X, and obviously YouTube at JR Abrams Tech, so you can stay up to date with the latest news or rumors about tech. I'll catch you in the next one.